Hi everyone, this is Nissim. Today we are in the quick tip for ComfyUI about keyboard shortcuts. Now in the new UI you have lots and lots of new shortcuts, and to see them all you're going to go to settings, key binding, and now you can see anything that the ComfyUI can offer. Plus you can add yourself your own keystrokes. So I added the low default workflow, Control Shift D. So everything that you will add will be in blue, all the rest will be in gray. Okay, this is super handy. Why? Because usually you have things that you used to and you want to change them, or if you want to set something, let's say zoom, I can see anything, any keystroke, but by the name of the command. Okay, so it will be easy for you to study the keystroke and to give your own if you don't like the current one. That's it. Very quick tip. Subscribe, like, and help me to spread the word about ComfyUI. Have a great day. Bye.